In the early hours of Thursday, July 31, 2025, a significant waterline break sent water rushing through 9th Street, between Sierra Vista Lane and Palo Verde Drive. The City of Truth or Consequences water crew mobilized before sunrise, quickly assessing the damage and initiating repairs. We know water outages and low pressure can be frustrating, especially for residents and local businesses. That's why our water crew responds with urgency, care, and determination throughout all hours of the day and night. Restoring service after a major line break isn't just technical, it's a hands-on mission powered by skill, grit, and teamwork. To access the broken infrastructure, crews excavated a trench where water flowed steadily from the damaged line, prompting the deployment of hoses, pumps, 2 trucks, and 2 generators to clear the trench and stabilize the site. A 183-inch segment, that's 15 feet and 3 inches, of 12-inch main was measured and cut to replace the compromised section. Using a chainsaw, workers carefully removed the damaged pipe and prepared for installation. 2 yellow Romac couplings, designed for high-pressure connections, were staged to secure the new pipe to the existing line, ensuring a tight and lasting fit. This seamless integration marked a pivotal moment in the repair process, restoring structural integrity to the waterline and moving the team closer to re-establishing full service to the affected area. With the old pipe removed, the full scope of the break came into view. A long, jagged crack stretched nearly the entire length, estimated at 12 feet 9 inches. The severity of the fracture highlighted the urgency of the situation and the importance of the crew's swift, coordinated response to prevent further disruption and protect surrounding infrastructure. Thank you for your patience and trust as we work to keep truth or consequences flowing strong.